Yeah, g'day guys. My name's James Fawcett and I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. And I just want to say a massive thank you for dropping by this video and checking out, how to build a list quickly using converting opt-in pages as well as thank you pages. Now, obviously, there's a whole bunch of stuff on YouTube that basically gives you some wish-washy stuff. And I just want to get straight to the point with you in obviously how to generate, start building that list and start generating commissions online, because that's the ultimate goal. Now, I'm just going to quickly show you some of my results from last year where I generated over $1.025 million. This is just affiliate revenue. And I was also able to release a few products as well. And I also generated, probably close to over $1 million in vendor income as well. So definitely, I'm also a seven-figure product creator and digital seller on top of being an affiliate marketer. So I like to keep those two separate because sometimes they're different in their own nature. But essentially what I want to do for you guys today is just quickly show you, if you are building a list, on how to do it in a way that's going to be very, converting for you and being able to drive that messaging home. Now, after this little tutorial, I'm going to give you an example of, how you can actually jump into one of my top training courses for literally $10 off, and you can take that away for just literally half price today. So I'll jump into that shortly, but firstly, obviously, you want to watch the content. So we're just going to jump straight into it. So right now, currently, I use ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is a very good platform to build opt-in pages, how to generate leads online, as well as being able to do that. Now, this is called an opt-in page, and I'm just going to quickly jump over to this opt-in page and how it's actually geared to be able to be attractive and generate a high opt-in rate. Now, this page in itself is proven to get a 40% opt-in rate. So that means for every 100 clicks that you get about 40 leads, which is actually pretty good standard, industry standard. Now, being able to take advantage of that is a whole different beast. And actually, within my training course for Affiliate One, we give this a done for you funnel complimentary straight away. You just got to plug it in, connect a few dots, and away you go. So this just one click equals a blast of $2,700 straight into your accounts. Now, this is very attractive because obviously what we've got here is, this is highlighted. So basically, people are looking at a monetary level, especially within times like current, like inflation rising and stuff like that. People are looking for additional ways to cover, the price of gas as it's going up, interest fees as they're going up. There's a whole range of different variety of reasons why people are looking to generate income online. Now, when they click through onto this, right, they're looking for a site. Generally, they're looking for a side hustle, or they're looking, just basically to enhance their own income or in their own situation at home, their economic situation. Now, when they click onto this, they're going to go straight to a thank you page. And when they go into a thank you page, guys, it's very simple messaging. And it's just the way that, a lot of people just message these days. So if you go here, you go to the bridge, and then this is what you get. Can you spare measly 20 minutes for a quick cash blast? And what this means is when they start building their list, this is what all they have to do once they've built that list is being able to just send out a quick email. And when they start generating lists, they'll be able to generate commissions. Now, obviously, there's proof in the pudding here with George here. Was able to generate 48 hours in just 1,700 using the Affiliate One system. And obviously, even though there's a bonus package as well, where we throw in a whole suite of goods that allow you to, being able to such as bonus assets, stuff like that. We all throw that in there. So obviously, if you check out the income here, like $58,000 in 30 days, this is generated back in 2020 when I just started. And as you can see here, I was doing, multiple $2,000 days, $3,000 days in May of 2020. Now, obviously that's changed, and that's obviously gone up as well, where I've been able to do at least that. So I was able to generate, at least, over $95,000 per month in income. So this is being able to take advantage of just a simple process, being able to get into plug in an opt-in page that's already done for you, getting into this, uploading these pages, connecting the dots, following the training inside the Affiliate One product, and being able to, get your affiliate links. We give you guys guaranteed approval inside Affiliate One to promote a bunch of offers straight off the bat. Now, I know a lot of the people that are actually, trying to get into affiliate marketing struggle to actually being able to get approved to promote an offer, period. Yes, there's places like ClickBank. It's very hard to find it. There's offers that do convert on there, but sometimes you can't find an offer that consistently converts over time, and it helps you generate offers like this. So, Affiliate One was just released not too long ago, and as you can see here, guys, so I can find it. Actually, no, this was last year. It'll be in this year, but if I go this year to date, that'll pop up. So Affiliate One, as you can see here, I've done over nearly 1,200 sales. I've done $18,000 in revenue, and currently here in June, besides this is not including vendor income, I've done $335,700. Okay, so usually, the start of the year usually, is a little bit slow, but sometimes it will pick up close to Christmas around September. September's the optimal time of the year, and that's when people really do gear up and they start buying as well. So when you start building your list, especially within this time period, you're going to have a substantial list going through as well. And then it's very easy to, grab some traffic as well. You can just simply go to places like, there's a place called Udemy that you can jump onto as well. And inside of Affiliate One, we've actually provided you guys, and I'm a Hall of Fame member, I've actually spent nearly close to $300,000 on Udemy in solo ad runs. I've made over close to 1,600 orders. And that's basic. And I've obviously been given ratings from sellers of 1,400. So clearly I know what I'm talking about. I've won 21 awards. That means I've been a top buyer essentially for 21 months, especially over the last 3 years. So that, that really does say something. So as you can see here, you can just simply jump in here and you can go to solo deals, and there's a whole bunch of guys that I fully recommend that you can jump on. And down below in this video link to you guys is a link where you can get $5 off your first order if you do decide to jump on. But inside our Affiliate One offer, where you guys are going to get literally $10 off through my affiliate link for Affiliate One, you guys will get $10 off, and you'll be able to get that for $11 off even for $5.95 today. When in launch, we did sell it for $17, but today as a special through, if you grab it through after watching this video, you guys will get it for $5.95. You're going to get a done for you funnel. You're going to get guaranteed approval to a bunch of offers. You're going to get a whole range of suite. You're going to get some email swipes to use straight away, and we show you step by step inside on how to go about that. So as you can see here, we've got in here, we also give you a special invitation inside here as well to check out some training. We've got Affiliate One fundamentals such as mindset, the Affiliate One process as well, just a 30,000 foot overview, so you guys immediately know what to expect inside the training and how it's conducted. Okay. Then we've got the Affiliate One process, and we go through how to find those hot products to promote. We also cover how to get approved for those hot products, because sometimes it's very difficult to get approved, and we show you a way on how you can go about that. And we also give you guys recommended products as well on a whole suite of different offers that you guys can do that. And we even give you free access to apply for Resurgence, the ClickWealth system, Perpetual Income 365, as well as John Thornhill Ambassador Program. So when you guys jump onto those through here, you guys are immediately will get whitelisted and get approved. And obviously you can steal my done for you funnels here as well. That's an upgrade that we do offer. It's a done for you system. That's completely optional. There's no pressure at all. You can grab the funnel. You can download your free Affiliate One funnel here as well, where we share that with you guys, and you guys will be able to jump in straight away, download it, get connected, and it'll literally be up and running within probably about an hour. Email marketing, we cover about how you can get email marketing here. We also offer an upgrade in terms of our 10x auto commission multipliers. We also cover your building your epic Affiliate One follow-up sequence. How you can follow up, get that automation going, because that's the key power of email marketing, is that you can automate it and generate commissions while you're simply out with your family, out with your friends. Just being able to do that as well is pretty powerful. And then we do a rotator process as well, and we show you how to do that correctly in a way that that doesn't impede on your reputation or anything like that as well. And we also talk about how you can list clean, segmenting on Aweber, segmenting on GetResponse. We have two choices, whether it's GetResponse or Aweber, and we guys give you all that training inside there. And we also go through tracking training as well, tracking your conversions, how to optimize sales, how to optimize your traffic. We cover on how to get traffic on demand as well. So essentially you can go to Udemy, and like I said, you jump in Udemy, and we also go through a video. We show you who are literally the trusted sellers on Udemy, where I've spent personally over $300,000 on that platform. That allows you guys to tap into those sources where I know that I've had no issues, because I know on this platform there's some really bad eggs, and you really want to avoid those. So I expose the bad eggs in there. I focus on the good ones so you guys get results. And then when we jump in there, guys, we also go Affiliate One bonuses. We've got a guaranteed approval to promote Affiliate One. We also give you a guaranteed approval on Resurgence as well, which is another great converting product. We got the Affiliate One bonus funnel, as we promised. We've also got my quick fire commission method, which basically explains you how to get it done up and running quickly. And obviously the best days to book your traffic on, the best days on how to space it out, the best times to send your emails. We all cover that in there. We've got the follow-up swipes, and we've also got a special invitation to a masterclass, which is at no additional cost, guys. How we generate 10K in 30 days very quickly. And obviously we've got upgrades there that are optional, which I will show them right now. It's full transparency. We have Fast Cash Accelerator, where we have the traffic Rolodex and also a bunch of assets that you guys can leverage using the Fast Cash Accelerator. All right, so this one here is $37. It's upgrade one. We also have a discounted version as well if you say no on the initial page. We also have upgrade 2. Actually, upgrade 2 is the done for you package. I'm sorry. We have the done for you package. We give you guys like bunches of funnels to use across different projects. We give you guaranteed approval on all of our offers that you guys can just plug in straight away, get going. We give you guys a bunch of swipes. We give you guys a 10-day automated sequence to plug straight in, so you don't have to write it or do any additional work. You just got to make sure you plug your affiliate links in there, and that's it. We also have an inner circle that we do training on. So we have a special inner circle here that we provide additional support. We get training. You guys can get on a live call. Just being able to get your questions answered about the process, and that's what it's all about. And then we go into the reseller bundle. The reseller bundle is where you guys can jump on and get 80% bigger profits, 80% commission bump for bigger profits. And that's where the magic lies in this game, guys. That's where the license rights really come into play, being able to get bigger commissions. So if you, for example, if you sell the done for you package, instead of just getting $98 or $94 or $92 or whatever it is, you get like 143, 145, and literally within 1 or 2 sales of those, you've got your money back straight away. So, and then obviously with upgrade, this is actually upgrade 3, comes after this. We also have the automation process as well, where we have a bunch of swipes and being able to jump into that. So guys, down below is a special link to jump on to Affiliate One. You guys give you guys today only with if you jump on via my link, you get $11 off just for $5.95. These are the upgrades here that you can jump into if you want. It's completely optional. You don't have to. Their options are there if you want them, and you guys will be able to jump in with a ton of content for $6 and start getting your email list built. So guys, thanks very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.